Friday, the 21st of November. Hi, my name is Melissa.
And more Aotearoa Winton School, I'm Magenta. Welcome to N.E.W.S News.
We start the day with Winton's Got Talent news. Can all the finalists please meet Mr Wadsworth in the hall at playtime? Thank you.
A big kia ora to all those students, parents and teachers who attended last night's Media Mash Awards.
Congratulations to all the teams that made the finals.
Every entry earned a second placing. Ka pai.
Te Kupu or te Wiki. This week's word is aporo, which is te reo for apple.
Tapa-tapa-hia na aporo. Slice the apples.
Alright, it's great seeing so many students wearing their Hi Viz vest. Keep up the good work.
And a reminder this term to always wear your sunhats at playtimes and lunchtimes.
Anyone not seen wearing their hat will stay in the shade in the junior lunch area. Thank you.
Now if you missed any notices, you can play the news again or read the notices you know where.
Touch News. Miss Mines' team and Mr Wadsworth's team, you have your usual practices at lunchtime.
Slurpers are on sale today by the barbecue, $1 each. Wrappers in the bin, thanks.
Bike and scooter news. A reminder to walk your vehicles through the school grounds.
That's walking them before and after school through school. Thank you.
No birthdays at Winton School, but Callum and Sophie Murray both turned 13 in the weekend.
Rā whānau kia korua. Happy birthday to you too.
Okay, that's us for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, ka kite a popo.
Haere rā Winton School.